Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can do a factory reset for Galaxy Buds 2 Pro earbud and how to actually do it. So the first way is the standard way, maybe you already know it, is that when you would come here to your phone and you go to wearable, so where you're gonna have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and here you're gonna have the earbud settings, and then you're going to reset. So that's something that you can do first. The second thing you can try to do, and let me tell you if it's going to let me like share it with me in the comments. When you're going to have the earbuds, you want to hold both of them on the top like this. And when you're going to hold them, you will see that the light is going to start changing. The blue, green, orange, or like red. And you want to hold it like 10 to 15 seconds. And then you got it. So now you can try to like close it and open it again. So let me down below in the comments if it actually worked for you, and have a great day and goodbye.